Yes, absolutely, absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, my friends. Another amazing video. What's going on, champions? Yeah, buddy, baby. I hope you guys are straight rocking that world, dude, and always transforming that mindset, baby. Yeah, buddy. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, welcome to the freaking rock show, dude. You guys, on this channel, we talk about not only confidence building, we talk about success, we talk about mindset, we talk about transformation, we talk about quantum physics, and everything that has to do with how reality works and how our psychology works and how we can incorporate all this information to help us create the kind of reality we want to create, baby. And so, my friends, today I'd like to share with you how to attract magnetic confidence and create the kind of reality you want to create, baby. Yeah, buddy. And so, you want to learn how to have magnetic confidence and attract any kind of reality that you choose? You can, my friends. It's what I've learned. Because here's the thing. I'm going to share stuff with you right now it's going to seem unorthodox. It's going to seem like crazy. It's going to seem crazy, right? Because what you don't understand, and I didn't understand, and most people don't understand, is that not only are you a transmitter and a receiver, but you as a person, you're an electrical instrument. Did you know that? Yeah, buddy. You're a magnet and you're an electrical instrument. You see what I'm saying? And this is quantum physics. This is scientific information. This isn't woo-woo. This isn't fairy tale stuff. This is real. See, your emotions, they are magnetic. Your thoughts, when you think upon a thought, you're thinking upon an electrical current. Do you understand that, baby? When you're in your car and you're driving around, you turn your radio on or whatever, you listening to your favorite music, you're hearing a frequency. An invisible frequency is coming out of the speakers in your car and it's entering your ears, and that electromagnetic energy is going inside of you, and because you like certain music, you magnetically vibe with it. That's why you tune to a certain station. Most people don't know this, you guys. And so we're talking about confidence, right? We're talking about how to have magnetic confidence and attract the reality you choose to attract. Because most people, they ain't never heard this. Because, see, you're doing this already in your life. You're already attracting the kind of personality, the kind of attitude, the kind of behaviors that you have right now into your life. And it's all those attitudes and behaviors and thoughts and everything that you're thinking on that's giving you the reality you're choosing, and you don't even know it. Most people don't know that, baby. Most people don't. I didn't know it. That's why when I started to unlock this, I was like, dude, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? You're telling me I've been in charge of all this my whole life and I never learned how to take control of the freaking reins? You see? We don't, because they don't teach you this in school, baby. And so here's the thing. See, most people don't understand that we walk around as people with a toroidal field of energy all around us. What's a toroidal field, Luke? Explain to me. You guys, you have an electromagnetic bubble all around you right now? You do. I do. Everyone else does. As long as your heart is pumping, you have an electrical current inside of you, and that current vibrates out. You're vibrating out this energy all the time, in and out, in and out. And that energy, that whole invisible bubble of information, is electromagnetic. That means you're electrically charged with information. You as a person are electrically charged with all the information, not only that you picked up from the time you were born, but whatever you're thinking upon and living upon right now. That should blow your mind, dude. And guess what? That information, you magnetically pulled it into your reality, whether you like it or not. This is why it's kind of crazy, because a lot of things we don't want to experience, but we experience them. A lot of things we don't want to have in our life, but we have them in our life. And we don't even acknowledge how they got there from a deep level. You see what I'm saying here, dude? Yeah, buddy. And so check it out, baby. Your emotions, your internal core beliefs inside, they are magnetic. That means, what does a magnet do? It attracts to it that which it aligns itself with, which it likes, right? That's why you like what you like. That's why you have what you have. And hey, dude, we do this all the time. Things we align ourselves with experiences and information that we don't necessarily like, and then we wonder why it shows up in our life, not even knowing that we're responsible for what we align ourselves with. Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes, my friends. And so, how to have magnetic confidence? It all starts with understanding that anger is a magnetic energy. Anger is a magnetic energy. Negativity is a magnetic energy. Insecurity is a magnetic energy. Any thought you can think has its own information and its own energy. And whatever you align yourself with, even whether you were aware of it or not, you attract that energy into who you are. And then because you attract it into who you are like a magnet, you live life with this energy vibrating out of you all the time. That's why you can walk by somebody who's, maybe you just get a bad vibe, right? You've heard this before, right? You walk by somebody, I don't know, that person, you feel a certain vibe off of them, you don't know why. And see, when you're very aware, like I am and like you can be, you start to recognize these energetic patterns all over the place. And see, those patterns of energy, they create realities for the people who have those realities. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so it's all about understanding like confidence, right? You want to learn how to rock your confidence? You want to learn how to create the kind of courage, the kind of charisma, dude, the kind of enthusiasm, buddy, the kind of happiness? It's up to you. You want to learn how to get real positive with yourself? You want to learn how to challenge yourself? You want to learn how to actually love yourself? Do you? You can. That's what I teach on this channel, baby. I teach people how to harness all these invisible laws that govern their realities, these supernatural tools called hearing, sight, taste, touch, smell, words, thoughts, beliefs, attitudes, actions, behaviors. You see what I'm saying here, dude? That's all it really is, baby. And so I share this with like-minded people. You want to learn how to harness these things? You can, because at any moment you can decide to have whatever it is you want to have. Now, I don't necessarily mean like something out there. And yes, you can decide right now to have something out there, but you need to obviously, in order to get whatever that something is out there, you have to compound the energy and work in that direction. But what I'm talking about is an emotional alignment. A psychological alignment with your core beliefs. You see, if you want to have magnetic confidence, you want to have more confidence. So, the more confidence you have, the more you will attract more confidence into your reality. Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes, my friends. And so, what do you want to think upon? Because whatever you focus on grows. You focus on anger and negativity and insecurity, guess what? That's what's going to grow, dude. That's what's going to grow, because you're going to attract that to you. And then you're going to receive the energy that comes with that. See, most people, they don't understand this. See, I'm sharing what I'm saying right now. You're hearing it, but see, most people don't know thoughts and words are electric. They're electrical. When you hear sound, it's an electrical, invisible frequency. And that goes into you and it makes you feel a certain way. And you start vibing with it or not. You see what I'm saying here, dude? Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes, my friends. And so for me, I've learned to establish a certain type of confidence, a certain type of energy, a certain type of attitude. See, you always have a choice. You have a choice to agree with insecurity or to agree with being more secure. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to immediately have it, because you've been programmed with a certain energy field of beliefs already. And that energy field of beliefs lives inside of you, dude. It lives inside. And that's called your personality. And that personality gives you the reality you have. And if you have a bad personality, if you have a negative personality, if you have an angry personality, if you have an insecure personality, you're not going to have that magnetic confidence. You see what I'm saying here, dude? You got to learn to develop your faith in who you are, in what you can have, and what you can create. Because see, if the Creator was going to think for you, you wouldn't be thinking and making choices. See, you were given the gift of the tools. You have hearing, you have sight, you have taste, you have touch, you have smell, right? Yeah. Why is that important? Because we absorb our environment from these tools. And then we have our brain, right? We can think and make choices and calculate, right? Yeah, buddy. But guess what, baby? Once you internalize that power, it becomes magnetic. It sticks right there inside of you. That's why you can walk by somebody who's real confident and you feel the confidence. You feel the courage. You feel the motivation. You feel the enthusiasm. Or you can walk by somebody who's real angry, right? Real fearful, real depressed. And what do you feel? You feel all their fear, all their anger, all their, all that, and it doesn't feel good. It feels negative. Right? Now, this ain't about getting it perfect. This is about acknowledging where you're at, what you can do, what you can create, what you can have, who you can be, who you can become. You see what I'm saying here, baby? Because at any moment, you can have a different reality. And what I mean a different reality, I don't mean out there different reality. I mean in here different reality. See, when you learn to get your internal world in alignment, when you learn to build the type of confidence inside that you want to experience, the type of happiness, the type of joy, the type of positivity, the type of whatever it is you want to create, and you learn to sit and live with that energy inside, that energy inside builds up, it builds up, it builds up, it builds up, and guess what? It goes out. Whoosh, whoosh, it just goes out. Right? Next thing you know, you start to attract the type of reality you want. You want to attract more courage? You want to attract more? See, confidence is when you have complete faith and trust in the truth. That's why truth is so powerful. That's why a lot of people are scared of truth. Because a lot of people, when they face the truth, you have to face things about who you are that maybe you don't like. You have to face things about yourself that maybe you don't like. You have to face whatever it is about yourself that you don't like, and you have to challenge that perception of who you think and believe you are. Because once we internalize the energy of the thoughts that we agree with and the beliefs that we have, once we internalize it, it sticks with us. And then we walk around with that magnetic energy. I don't know about you, dude, but for me, I was stuck in a world of addiction. I was stuck in a world of anger. I was stuck in a world of depression. I was stuck in a world of anxiety. I was stuck there, dude, and I had to admit it to myself in order for me to get past it. And you don't get past it without challenging it. This is what I've learned, baby. These are universal governing laws of attraction that govern our reality. You see what I'm saying here, dude? How to have magnetic confidence and attract the kind of reality you desire. You have to decide what you want to agree with. You have to decide what you want to create. You have to decide what you want to have in your current reality. If you want to have all these things that you don't like, then you have to analyze why you have those things that you don't like. And then you have to change the reason why you're giving yourself that reality. Because a lot of people, they don't know this, dude. Luke, you're crazy. Luke, you always rapping about this stuff. Hey, dude, I get it, baby. That's why I share these deep insights. That's why I talk about this. To help like-minded people to build the type of confidence that they want to create. You gotta make yourself believe who you are, because you've already been making yourself believe who you are. Did you know that? Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes, my friends. And so guess what? You have to change who you believe you are if you want to change. If you don't want to change, dude, you're going to stay doing the same thing, my friends. That's the way it goes. That's the way reality works. But that, my friends, is how to have magnetic confidence. Understand that we're working with instruments. We're working with tools. We're working with energy fields, electromagnetic energy fields. And whatever you think about, you're forecasting, you're broadcasting that electrical current. That's what you're broadcasting. And then you magnetically attract to you that energy. And so if you want more confidence, you have to give more confidence. If you want more positivity, you got to give more positivity. If you want more happiness, you have to give more happiness. You have to be the things that you want. That was freaking huge, dude. That was massive. You have to be the things that you want. Because see, when you have that confidence, you're going to give that energy. When you have that positivity, you're going to give that energy. When you have that enthusiasm, you're going to give that energy. You see what I'm saying here, dude? Yeah, buddy, baby. And that, my friends, is how to have magnetic confidence and attract the kind of reality you want. You attract whatever you act upon. That's what the law of attraction is. You attract whatever you act upon. If you don't act upon this information, do you think you're going to attract anything different? No, you're not. You're going to keep getting the same reality you've been getting, baby. And so that's what I've learned. That's how I've been able to crack the code, baby. Yeah, buddy, dude. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today. I wanted to share some value with you guys, share with you what I've learned, how I've learned to change my thinking, and how you can do the same too. So when you go out there and you give away this positivity, you attract more of that back to yourself. Give away love, you'll attract love. Give away positivity, you'll attract positivity. Give away confidence, and you will attract more of that because you're a magnet, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today, my friends. I just wanted to share some value with you guys and share with you some insights on how to have magnetic confidence and attract whatever reality you want, dude. Anyways, you guys, that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys are new here to the channel, baby, consider subscribing. If you guys like the video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Hit the little bell notification if you guys want more videos like this. And yeah, good stuff, baby. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Peace. Yeah, buddy. You always attract what you are, never what you want. You always attract what you are, never what you want.